Hi there, I hope you are well and having a fantastic day. My name is Malcolm. I am one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, I'll be going through with you how you can connect first your website to Google, get it indexed. Second, add meta titles and meta descriptions on Wix. All right. So we're taking it off from a person who has already created their website. As you can see, I've created my beautiful fancy named website called Fake Site. And from there, I am on my dashboard. So that's where you want to log in and get on your dashboard to be able to follow. All right. Now that you're on your dashboard, you want to actually navigate to your left panel, as you can see here, and click on marketing and SEO. Of course, this little pop-up will open up there, but for your convenience, you can just click on SEO under marketing and SEO. And a second page will load. So what I just want to highlight about Wix is it's really awesome. There is a SEO assistant. So if you don't know much about SEO, it sort of guides you on what keywords that you need to add for that relevant page, as well as they will literally help you connect your website to Google. So there are many things, as you can see, as we mentioned, we'll teach you how to do that. As you can see, there's different tools, setup checklist, SEO settings, site inspection, site maps, and so on. We're not going to dive into that too much, but we want to first connect your site to Google. So you want to click on connect to Google under site performance on Google and click on connect site and click on the go to SEO setup checklist. All right, awesome stuff. So once you've clicked that, you want to go to get started, and then you want to put your brand name, your business name. So in this example, as we mentioned, our fancy name is Fake, and we're gonna go with that all through the website. So we're gonna, after you write your uh, company name there, you're gonna click on next. Right after that, you want to be specific. Here it asks where does your business serve its customers? So you want to click between the two. This business serves customers from a physical address or within a local service area, or it's online nationwide. Maybe you have a blog. So in this example, we chose a blog. So we want to click on online. But of course, if you have your own business, you want to click on there and then fill in your address. That's the only difference. So let's go with online and then click on next. So here is where it's really important. So here you want to add what are called keywords. Practically, it's keywords, words that are related to what people are searching for, as well as that link to your business. For example, plumber in Wisconsin. That's a keyword. So we have a fully detailed video on how you can do a free keyword research using Hrefs. Please check it out in this video. All right, so this example, we want to use the keyword blog. Awesome. And then you're going to click on enter. You see there. And then we want to add more than two. So we want to say blog, rate, fake blog. So you want to add actual keyword over here. So uh, let's add put or fake blog. Awesome. So I have three, preferably have 2 to 5 as uh, Wix is recommending here. So right after you have your keyword, you want to click on next. Right. So this is where we actually put those keywords on actual websites. Okay, on the actual site on your website. All right, so we've done that. We have allowed. So this we need a premium option. Of course, if you have a premium option, it will be so much easier. But we want to go to step 2, optimize this page site pages for search engines. Awesome stuff. Now that we have arrived here, we want to add an alt text. You can do that on the actual page. We'll cover that in a separate video. But we actually want to add meta titles and meta description. There we go. Sorry, it's on step 1. So step 1, I want to add titles for searchers. So we want to click on go for it. Okay, drop down. What's awesome about Wix is they actually give us recommendations. So from the, remember those keywords that we put in? Awesome. So you can click here, or you can click other if you want to customize. So this would be the home page, will be home, fake site. I like to include location. So what you really want to have is the company name on your home page, the keyword, main keyword, as this is a blog post. So you want to just say blog and company name, which is fake site. Awesome. See, and it practically checks out. So you want to say apply and publish. So of course, in your own website, you want to actually put actual keywords there, and this will help you rank higher. So this is just the home page. So now it's the title, this title description. So first off, something I left out here, you don't want to add more than 70 keywords. So this is a little bit off from, this is of course Wix, but from an SEO's perspective, you don't want to have more than 70 characters, not words, characters. Awesome. And here on the description, you want to describe your brand. Of course, you want to have the keyword, the location, and the company name with less than 160 characters. So you always want to keep that in mind. So in this example, we'll just say, we'll learn about football. See, it already clicks that because that was one of the keyword. In USA location from our experts writers at fake sites. See, and it all checks out. So you want to add more meat to that. As you can see here, it tells us how many characters we already have. So you want to have less than 160, more than 100, less than 160. And then you want to click on apply and publish. Then it's gonna refresh. So depending on how many pages you have, you need to do that for every single page. So if it's 300, you need to do that for 300 plus pages. So the next step is to index your website on Google. So first of all, you want to connect to a domain. As you can see here, we're using Wix's own domain, so we won't be able to actually connect. But in a quick one, it's very, very simple and self-explanatory. You just click on connect and you just right here and say, click on connect this site to Google, go for it over here, and then click on connect now. So before you can connect, please check mark each item. See, we have to complete everything. As I mentioned, the domain is not there, so we can't really do that. But it's just 2-3 clicks and then you'll be connected. It will help you definitely. So that was just a quick tutorial on how you can add title tags and meta description on Wix. If you need more information, please subscribe to this channel. Like it if you really found it helpful. Tell us what you need. We're here to help you. Comment down below what you enjoyed and which video you'd like us to cover next. Till next time, enjoy your day.